A few years back, I was really into RC cars. I got out of it like every other hobby I've ever gotten. Got out of it, got rid of everything I had. Well, one of my buddies recently got into RC cars. So, he was asking me about printing him something up for the GoPro. I made him this little guy. Turned out really good. It was very basic, just printed it out of PLA. Nothing special. I put, I have a bunch of these from GoPros, these nuts laying around, so I just threw that in there. Threads in good and everything. You can put it here. We'll put that GoPro on. So this is a GoPro 10 Black Hero. And my son has an older version. I think he has a 6. But this is really cool what they did with the newer ones. So you can just mount it straight to it, just like that. Go ahead and take this off. Lost that nut. All right. Set this guy in there. Put that guy through. Put that nut back in there. Hold on. We doing it, guys. And there we go. Like a first person GoPro mount for your RC car. Let's go drive it around and see how the video looks.